Welcome to Santa's MLS Tech Workshops, where we'll be going over ways on how to better your business. In this tutorial, Erin Dickinson from InfoSparks will be going over how to navigate the My Areas feature and create your own customized defined areas.
And then finally, there's the My Area section. And this allows you to actually come in and create your own custom defined area. So as we had looked at originally, you can select a geography to run stats on. And we have things in there like the region, you've got county level, you've also got neighborhood level and building level. But if you wanted to create your own combination here and run stats on a neighborhood or multiple neighborhoods at once or something, you can do that as well in here. So you can use the frequently used areas to jump around to different parts of the region and zoom in and zoom out just like you would with any other tool. And then you can just simply start clicking here on the map and create your own shape. You can also, if you don't want to do a polygon, if you want to do a circle, you can click the draw a circle button and click on a point and draw out from it and create a circle. You can create multiple shapes on the map. You can delete shapes if you make a mistake. And then once you have the area or areas you want selected, you can hit save and name it whatever you'd like. It'll think for a minute, it'll tell you how big of an area you have and how many listings are in it. A couple of caveats to keep in mind. Number one, if you're working in or drawing an area that's very sparsely populated, that might give you a very small result set, as well as a situation where you've got a very dense area, but your map is extremely small. And so, for example, if you get under 100 listings as your results here, that would be 100 listings all the way back to 2005. So that's not a lot of data to chart. You certainly can, but expect that your trends are going to be pretty volatile simply because your sample size is pretty small. That's one thing to keep in mind. The other thing to keep in mind is that when you use this tool, you can zoom down to the street level and grab one half of a street, not the other. But when it comes to mapping property addresses to where they are in the real world, sometimes that pin doesn't end up exactly where it's expected. So it might be on the other side of the street or down the street from where it really is. And so while you can do that, you're probably not going to get 100% accuracy drawing at that at that street level. So in that situation, I do suggest, if where possible, to use those building geography selections instead. Or if you're really looking for that deep of precision, you're probably, again, better flipping back over into the MLS and doing a matrix search where you can see which properties are specifically included or excluded in your result set. So with those caveats in mind, let's hit the See Stats link. And now I'm going to be seeing the stats for the area I just created. In the future, if I want to come back to this list, I can go back into the areas dropdown, and one of the filter options is to filter by my areas, and I can pull up in here any other previous areas that I've created and select those.